To complete the lesson, Pixel Art using Google Sheets, the first thing you need to do is click Open and open the lesson. The instructions are to click on the link below to open the Google Sheet, complete the assignment to reveal the mystery message. So you're going to click right here, and here's the mystery message. You're going to use the fill color tool to color in each lettered cell with the corresponding color indicated below the letters of row 1. So here's row 1. So every cell that you see an A in, you're going to turn it green. B will be yellow, C red, and D blue. So you click in the cell, go up here to the fill color tool, and click on green. Here's another A, and you can do this cell by cell, or you'll notice, here's one with the B, so I'm going to turn it yellow. You'll notice that there are a continual row of B's here, so I can click this little square and drag across all the letter B's, and it will copy that. So I don't have to do those individually. So if I click here on this letter B, I can also drag down so that I fill all of these letter B's at the same time. So you're going to complete the mystery message by filling in all of the cells that are lettered with the corresponding color. When you've completed that, you can select all of these cells that have letters in them, and then simply hit the delete key to remove the letters so that all that you're left with is the color. Once you've revealed the mystery message, you can close that tab, and then back in Google Classroom, you're going to click the Turn In button, click Turn In again, and then it will turn the assignment in to me. Then you'll need to go up and log out of Google Classroom.